If you're constantly waking up with a stuffy nose or just finding dust everywhere, it's probably not your cleaning routine and more or less what's actually in your air. And did you know that the indoor air could actually be 5 times more polluted than outside air, and even more so in bedrooms and home offices? Today we're taking a look at the Levoit Eleva 300x Smart Air Purifier, designed just for small and medium-sized spaces. Now, instead of reading just through a spec sheet, I'm going to break it down to what this tech actually means for your home, in addition to some real-world tests. But first, let's take a look and see what comes in the box. So looking inside the box of the Levoit Eleva 300x, there's really not that much. We have the getting started guide and then the full unit itself. Now, the filters are inside this unit, which I'll show you, and make sure you open it up and take those filters out of the plastic, because I've done that in the past where I started a unit and I was like, this is not working well. Well, it was wrapped in plastic. So yes, open it up, you'll see the getting started guide, and I'll go ahead and show you. We just need to go and unlock this top here, and the filters are right inside. I'm doing this one-handed. You can do it that way if you need it. And you'll see that the filters are brand new and in plastic, and when you replace them, you can scan a QR code to make sure they're the genuine filters, which I'm sure supposedly work better. Then we have our power supply also hidden down in here. You can see the two separate filters here that are going to provide you with the ultimate filtration. So let's break down the tech side into plain English. First up is the DuoShield filtration. Most of the air purifiers fuse the HEPA filter and the charcoal filter into one single cartridge, forcing you to replace the whole thing when just one part gets full. Now, Levoit keeps them separate. The main HEPA filter catches physical stuff like dust, dander, and pollen, while the activated carbon filter catches smells and smoke. Keeping them modular means lower long-term replacement cost. Second, the unit uses AirSight Plus 2.0 laser sensor with 3 distinct channels. The PM10, which means big stuff like visible dust and pollen, PM 2.5, microscopic allergens and wildfire smoke, PM 1.0, which is ultrafine particles like fresh smoke or condensation. Now, most basic purifiers only lump everything together or guess, but the multi-channel laser tells the unit exactly how hard it needs to work. So to test the particulate laser sensor, I'm gonna blow out a candle right next to the intake. Now we're gonna watch the front display. Within seconds, the PM reading should jump as it detects the fine smoke particles. And auto mode kicks in, the fan into high speed to clear the air. What about odors and VOC? So next, let's test how it handles airborne chemicals and smells. I'm gonna spritz a bit of perfume nearby. This is where the separate activated carbon layers come into play, trapping that fragrance, the molecules, so the smell doesn't linger across the room.
Now let's go ahead and take a look at the different fan settings. Now the unit features an auto setting which will automatically adjust based on the air quality, or you can go ahead and manually set it from low, medium, high, and turbo as well.
Now, not only does this air purifier constantly monitor the air quality where it is set up, and it will actually notify you with different color lights on top of the unit. So right now it's blue, but if it was getting worse, you would see an orange light come on, so you know that, oh, this is really not a good situation. And then you can take action based on that information. Now, this unit filters up to 250 square feet, and it is a smart device, so it connects with the VSync app and give you tons of different options and controls, as well as different insights.
So let's go ahead and take a look at what the current situation is here in the app. And it's telling me that the indoor AQI is moderate. And even though the 2.5, this is really cool because it's telling me with all the AI information, it really gives a good oversight and understandable oversight of what's going on. Now, it's pretty humid outside. I do feel like that pressure in the house could be affecting the air quality indoors. It's a little bit warmer. Had a little bit of that smoke smell coming in through the fireplace, and it seems to be clearing it up, but it may be catching on to that and working and purifying and giving me this information. You can go ahead and add schedules. You got your sleep air trends. Filter management tells me how many days are left. And then we can go ahead and look at the AQI, PM 1.0. So all your different trend maps. And then if we want to go through 2.5, PM 10, you can look at all your trends. Very cool. Love the interactivity that this has, and you can go ahead, you can set your sleep settings or manual, you can go 1, 2, 3 or turbo. So everything is controlled right here, and I really just, the app is pretty straightforward and easy to use. You can turn it on, off, set it back to auto, timers, display locks, tons and tons of features, really well thought out. And then if you want to go ahead, let's take a look at the weekly summary. It will give you the overall of how that week, the air summary was for that week. And then you can do monthly, or you can look at how was the air quality at night too. So really, instead of just changing out a filter, you're getting a really good idea of the overall air quality of that room and what the system is doing to help clean it.
So we have been running it in the living room and has been doing a really good job. It is relatively quiet on the low mode, and there are smart modes as well that will detect either the air quality or just the overall time of day. There's a night mode, so it gets really quiet. So if you have it in the bedroom, and then the top speed, yes, it does blow out air really quickly, and it is a little bit noisier, but still, like, I mean, you can still watch TV and not have a problem. The overall thing is, well, how has it been performing? I have not seen the color of the light change, which is definitely a good thing, and I can see all the different air quality monitor indicators. So that is good. The overnight information looks good. And what I will say right here, where we do have it set up close to the fireplace with the flue closed, I have not really smelled any of that fireplace smell that we normally have. So it must be filtering that out. And just overall, it's just a very clean smell. Don't smell anything possibly with pets or anything like that. It's been doing a really great job. The next thing, I'm going to move it into the bedroom and just see how that performs. I know some people will say, well, if there's dust or pollen or something like that in the bedroom, they wake up, they got like a scratchy throat, and this can possibly help with things like that, help with your sleep, and has that hum from the fan, which obviously could help too. This smart home air purifier really hits the mark with a lot of these features. And just with that app, you can get so much information with the AI integration, so you can really understand what's going on. Now, also with the changes of the lights, it's really helpful to know what your air quality is like right then and there, along with all the different speed levels, making it from almost super quiet to really circulating that air. So if you're really looking for a great solution for an air purifier for your home, bedroom, or office, then something like this one may be something that you want to check out as well.